Today I'm going to show you how to make a photo collage in GIMP. First, you need to decide how many images you wish to add to that collage, and also you need to decide the size of those images. Today I'm going to make a simple 4-photo collage in GIMP. So first you need to click here on File and then click here on New. And let's say, for example, I will make 1500 by 1500 collage. Click here on Enter, and now this is my canvas. As you can see, my canvas is blue. To change the color, I can simply click here and I can choose any of these colors. For example, let's just say white. Click here on OK, click here on Bucket Fill tool, and then simply click here, and here you can see now my background is white. So now I need to make a boundaries, okay? So click here on Images, and then click here on Guides, and then click here on New Guide by %. Click here, and here you will need to do a bit of math, okay? So here you can see I chosen horizontal, and here you need to add percentage. So here I will actually add just a 2%. And then when I click here on OK, here you can see it added boundary here. Now I need to add a boundary on opposite end. So again, go here on Image, Guides, New Guide. And now I will actually say 98%. And when I click here OK, here you can see it added new boundary here. But this is a 4-image collage, so now I need to add a boundary here in the middle. Now, depending, do you wish to add boundaries between the images or not, you will choose this percentage. So I will go here on Image and then go here on Guides and New Guide again. Now, if I add 50% here and press OK, as you can see it added boundary, but there will be no this white boundary between these images here. So I will click here on Undo and then click here on Images and New Guide, okay? And here I will say 49%, okay? And then again I will go here and then go here on New Guide, but now I will say 51%. And now I have this white boundary. You need to do a bit of math, especially if you wish to add more than 4 images, okay? So now I need to add vertical boundaries. Again, go here on Image, go on Guide, go New Guide, and then here choose vertical. And here I will choose 2%. And here you can see I added boundary. So I will speed this up. As you can see, I now added 4 positions for 4 images. Now I need to add these images. So click here on File and then click here on Open as a Layers. And these are my images, and I will actually open all 4 images at once. Click here on Open. Now, depending on the size of those images, this can take a few moments. As you can see, I open all 4 images. So now I need to actually resize these images. So I will actually hide these images that I'm actually not working on. So I will just leave this image here active. And now I will go here on this Scale tool. And I'm going to scale this image, okay? Something like this. But as you can see, this is not a square image. So I will simply go like this, okay? And I'm going to make it fit. Click here on Scale. And now I'm actually going to click here on this Crop tool. And I'm going to crop this image, okay? And when I click here, I cropped this image. So now I will activate this image and deactivate this one. And same thing, I will first scale this image, okay, to make it fit. And I will make it like this, for example. Click here on Scale and then go here on Crop tool. And I'm going to crop this image, okay? And I'm going to like this, okay? And now when I move this image, here you can see it is moved. So I will again rescale it like this. And now this image fits. So let me unhide this. Here you can see how this now looks. And I will hide both of these images and unhide this one. So let me just speed this up. So let me unhide all of these images so you can see how this looks. And this is how my collage now looks. As you can see, really simple, really easy. You can literally make a photo collage in GIMP in just 5 minutes.